This is a vegetarian version of a traditional Eastern European soup that we call borscht. The soup comes together really quickly, so prepare the veggies beforehand. You will need carrots, sweet red pepper, and beets cut into small strips or cubes. You will need some potato cut into small cubes as well, and an onion also cut into small cubes, and some cabbage shredded. Start sauteing the onions directly in the pot where you will be cooking the soup and beets separately in a pan. Add salt to the onions and half a teaspoon of caraway and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything and let the tomato paste cook a little bit before adding the carrots and more salt. Add red wine vinegar to the beets. Once the carrots have softened a little bit, add the potatoes and cabbage. And beans, followed by some broth or water. Once the beets have sauteed, add them to the soup, add 2 bay leaves, and let the soup simmer for at least 25 minutes, but the longer you cook, the more the tastes, the flavors blend together. Chop some garlic and add 5 minutes before the soup is ready. In the meanwhile, chop some dill for garnishing. Remove the bay leaves and serve the soup with sour cream. Sour cream is essential. You cannot have borscht without sour cream. This soup has tanginess of tomatoes, sweetness from beets, umami flavor from beans and the broth, and sour cream adds tenderness to all of this. It's a mix of rich flavors and textures. I hope you try and like it.